second light to turn left. And then follow Liverpool A59, please. Back past Asda, back home. Alright?
Taking me on the little fucking junction that no one likes.
Yep. Cool. That was okay. You could have driven across the bus stop as well, don't forget. Makes sense? It's not a problem. All good. This is an interesting one, this. We get the green arrow, potentially. But here, in the middle, there's a right turning lane that doesn't have a no U-turn sign.
Yeah.
So cars doing this filter right could effectively do a U-turn, but it says we've got priority.
Yeah.
So it probably needs addressing. If I was a road planner, I would do something about that. I'd say no U-turns to them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we cannot trust that road planners are going to get things spot on every time. Unfortunately, it shouldn't be like that, but it is. So off we go. So be positive with the lorry. The lorry could actually. I don't think he would have got round there. But is he doing that? Have a look in your mirror. He friggin' well is. He friggin' well is. Look at him.
He is.
Understand?
Good effort like that.
I think he's got stuck. But that is poor on road planners' perspective.
Yeah.
Because they're putting two different priorities into conflict with each other.
Yeah. So if it's a crash, whose fault is that? So yeah,
both.
Yeah.
Yeah. Both. You've got to have a little bit of thought and consideration for other people around, and that's really what I'm trying to put across them.